Here we are out on the road with MirrorCam. We've got Chris, who's the senior truck trainer for Mercedes-Benz, and we're just going to demonstrate how MirrorCam actually works. Here we are on a straight line. We're now making a sharp left-hand turn, and now what's happening is we're actually tracking the rear end of the trailer. Even at tight turn circle like this, we never lose the vision of the rear end of the trailer, making it safer for drivers and for the general public. It comes as no surprise that MirrorCam comes into its own when it comes to reversing. So what we're going to do now, we've just stopped, we're now going to set into reverse, and as you see straight away the mirrors change. First of all, you've got a wide angle there, and we get a fisheye view as well. Also, it comes on both screens, which greatly improves the safety, and it's a wonderful improvement on conventional mirrors.